Alright, going to install this screen protector for the Grand Highlander screen. Okay, package content: screen protector, alcohol cleaning cloth, drying cloth, and dust removal sticker. So let's see. Installation kit, installation instructions. In very many languages. So keep hands clean and dry to prevent fingerprints or dust from touching the adhesive side of the film. Before installation, compare the film with the screen to ensure a proper match. There will be a slight gap around the edges of the film for easier installation. It is recommended to park the vehicle in a clean, dust-free area with doors and windows closed during installation. So let's go ahead and close the door and bake in the car. So let's see. Does that look about right? Yes, it does. Step 1. Peel off the white protective layer behind the adhesive strip. Step 2. Align the screen protector with the screen, making sure the screen protector does not move and fits the screen, and stick the adhesive strip to the screen frame. Okay. Open the installation kit. First wipe. Okay, let's see. First wipe the screen with a wet wipe to remove dirt and stains, then use a non-woven cloth to dry the screen, and then finally use a dust removal sticker to remove dust from the screen. Okay, installation kit. Step 1, line this up. But man, do I want to? Okay, it's not a perfect fit, but it'll do. Let's see. So it has numbers, cleaning wipe, dust removal, and the non-woven cloth, or lint-free cloth. Let's see, do that first on top. Line it up. Hopefully we get a good line. Is that good? Nope, nope, nope. Not good. Nope, not good. I was using the bottom as a reference. I think I should use the top as a reference. Okay. Well, it's gonna have to make do. Hopefully, it's not a problem. Okay, left side. Right side, probably need to move a little bit right. Sheesh. Should be good. Okay. Clean wipes. Open the installation kit. First wipe the screen with the wet wipe. Clean wet wipe number 1. That says wet tissue. Okay, here we go. Okay, now moving lint-free cloth to clean. All right, and sticker. Sticker's leaving marks. That's there's some spots here I gotta get rid of somehow. Okay. All right. Took longer than I wanted to. Oh man, is there something in the middle? Hope it doesn't pop up. It'd be super annoying. Hopefully it just sticks. All right. Well, there you have it. Now I gotta take this guy off. Okay, installed.